One of the questions we usually being asked is about like bathroom remodeling or kitchen remodeling. Which one gonna be more expensive? Which one gonna surprise us more, or there's a chance to surprise us?
Feel the fire leave a mark in the chaos I remain. Through the night I breathe your
So in general, when we talk about the bathroom remodeling or kitchen remodeling, there is a lots of different factors we have to know. If we want to stay with the same layout in kitchen or bathroom, if we want to expand them, let's say in the kitchen we have some walls, we want to open it up to have more open layout, like more access and more open layout to the living room, dining room, something like that. And those walls are bearing wall or not, which is usually one of those walls, if you want to open like everything, one of those walls, usually 99% are bearing wall. So the cost of some structural work like that. Then in the bathroom remodeling, which is the most of the case, we want to stay with the same square footage, but lots of time we want to change the layout. There is some other stuff actually can make it more costly for us. It's like surprises, like because the bathroom is like a place it's been around the moisture for years and years, and then when we open the walls and there is no signs before we open the walls, we cannot say it, but when we open the walls we will see like can be some damages like a rotten wood or stuff like that. So we have to address those, we have to fix them. Depend on how critical and how bad they are, can be a little more costly. But if you want to remodel the kitchen in the scenario A and bathroom with the same layout, so kitchen would be a little more costly, bathroom would be less costly. But again, depend on lots of things, like even finishing material, like which kind of cabinetry countertop we want to choose for kitchen. We want to still keep the appliances we already have, or no, we want to replace them. In the bathroom remodeling, which kind of tile we want to have, which kind of fixtures, like plumbing fixtures, which quality of fixtures we want to use there, and details like that. But if we want to change the layout, plumbing cost for the bathroom, it's going to be main cost. Electric cost after that, the structural thing for the kitchen, change the flooring, stuff like that for both. Install the tile, backsplash, countertop, mostly in the kitchen. Cabinetry, which kind of trades off that cabinetry? We want to go with the MDF, we want to go with the HDF, we want to go with the solid wood. Which kind of solid? We want to go with the walnut, or we want to go with the pine, stuff like that. So all those would affect the cost. But again, in the scenario which we have a bathroom and kitchen with the same layout, so usually kitchen is more expensive, bathroom it's less expensive. Stay with us. We want to discuss about lots of these details in our channel. Please subscribe us, and then if you have any question, just drop it on the comments below. And then if you have any project or you know someone so they want to do the same kind of project recently, send us these videos to them, or ask them, or you guys reach out to us.